So again, I'm going to go kind of fast because we've already created a lot of these objects already. We've already created our bullet. We're just going to create the bad guy's bullet now. So since it's going to be so similar to our bullet, we're going to just duplicate this. And we're going to say bullet bad guy. And in here, we're going to change the image to bullet bad guy. Still is going to be based on the shooter. In this case, the shooter is going to be the bad guy. Now this bullet isn't going to go up the screen, so we're not going to subtract from Y. It's going to go down the screen, so we're going to add to Y. Now we can play it and see if the bullet comes out of the bad guy. But there's one thing we missed. We just created the blueprint. Blueprints don't really help us unless we're creating objects from them. So we want to go into the bad guy and we want to say, hey, every so often, shoot a bullet. The only method that is called repeatedly here is update. So we can go in update and we can say bullet bad guy dot create and pass it ourselves. But remember, the update is called 60 times a second. So there's going to be a ton of bullets coming out of them. That doesn't seem very fun, doesn't look very good. So we're going to use the same trick we used way up here when we created the bad guys. We're going to say only make that happen once in a while. And the once in a while will be when a random number, let's say, is between 0 and 25. Well, a random number between 1 and 25 is never going to be 73. We can make that 3. See what that looks like. Where are our bad guys? There's one. Much more interesting. A little too fast though. So what we can do here is just increase this to 50.